Hi, another unboxing for a Griffin identity case for iPhone 5 and 5s. I believe this one also can do for the iPhone SE. Let's have a look. Okay, what do we get here? This is usually a Belgian warranty card. Installing your case, removing your case. Okay. I'll make this kind of user manual as if people is gonna do something wrong. Probably you need to put your phone in first from the top, and when to finish to go from the top. I don't know. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, certainly this is, wow, you can open it. Okay. Oh, this is just falls down, but you can't actually complete it out, right? You cannot completely take it out. Okay, this is and also there's a slot here where you can put your cards. How do I take it out, this thing? Okay, there you go. See? Okay, there's a part you can see if you have your phone in there, right? And then it's gonna go up. Wow, yes. So this part here is gonna go, what do you call it? Going out of the actual case, and then you can flip it the card inside. This thing is gonna hold the card. Yeah, so if you want to take it out, just like that. It's nice. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.